Have you ever reached the end of the month wondering, where did all our money go? Bills, groceries, unexpected school expenses, family outings. It adds up fast. And when you're providing for your family, every wasted dollar feels personal. But here's the thing. It's worse than you might realize. An alarming 64% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck right now. Even many earning over $100,000 a year according to Lending Club, 2024. That means most families are just one emergency away from financial stress or even disaster. But here's the good news. You don't need to earn six figures to build financial security. You need a smarter plan. Later in this video, I'll reveal the #1 family budgeting hack that can save you thousands per year, without cutting the joy from your life. What if you could make budgeting fun, automatic, and stress-free, even for the busiest families? Segment 1. Create a zero-based family budget. Most families budget backwards. They spend first, then hope there's money left. But hope isn't a financial strategy. Smart families budget forward. They make a plan before spending a single dollar. Every dollar is assigned a job, groceries, bills, fun, savings, before it leaves your account. This may sound tedious, but it's actually freeing. Imagine knowing exactly how much you can spend on fun without guilt, and having confidence that the essentials are covered. That's what a zero-based budget gives you. And don't forget those sneaky expenses: school supplies, birthday gifts, or random Amazon splurges. When every dollar is assigned, unplanned spending doesn't have to destroy your progress. John Maxwell famously says, "A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went." But what happens when something truly unexpected throws everything off course? Segment 2. Use a family emergency buffer. Life happens fast. The car breaks down. Your child needs new glasses. The dentist finds a cavity. Without preparation, these can wreck your budget. That's why creating a family buffer fund is critical. Even setting aside just $25 to $50 a month can help build a cushion. Over a year, that's $300 to $600 saved, enough to handle many small emergencies without turning to credit cards. According to the Urban Institute, families with just $500 saved are 32% less likely to fall into debt after an unexpected expense. That's peace of mind you can't afford to skip. This isn't your full emergency fund. Think of it as your first line of defense. Avoiding credit cards here keeps you from creating long-term debt from short-term problems. But emergencies aren't your only budget enemy. Sometimes it's your own day-to-day spending habits quietly draining your bank account. Segment 3. The envelope or digital envelope system. Overspending happens subtly. Groceries, eating out, kids' toys, coffee runs. It adds up quietly until you check your balance and wonder, where did it all go? Enter the envelope system, a proven way to stay in control. Assign cash amounts for each spending area or digital categories using apps like Good Budget and Every Dollar. Here's how it works. If your grocery envelope has $150 and it's gone by Friday, that's it. You pause or adjust instead of overspending. Using this method trains your brain. It builds awareness and forces choices, which prevents budget leaks. As Dave Ramsey warns, if you don't control your money will control you. Apps make it easy and modern. No need for actual envelopes unless you want that tactile experience. But how do you get your spouse or kids on board without turning budgeting into a dreaded chore? Segment 4. Make budgeting a family game. Most kids and even adults hate the idea of budgeting. But what if you made it fun? Instead of boring lectures, turn budgeting into family challenges. Weekly Grocery Challenge. See if you can spend $20 less than the week before. No Spend Weekend. Find creative ways to have fun without spending a dime. Savings Goal. Jar. Every time the family skips takeout or sticks to the budget, put $5 into a visible jar for a family reward. This transforms budgeting into teamwork and teaches kids crucial life skills. A University of Cambridge study found that kids who actively participate in family budgeting are 43% more likely to grow into financially responsible adults. When kids feel ownership, they're far less likely to pressure parents for impulse purchases. But even with games and smart spending, Many families still blow their budget at the grocery store. How do you fix that? Segment 5. Automate and shop smart. Grocery stores and online shopping platforms are designed to make you spend more. End caps, impulse buys, flash deals, they all target your wallet. That's why automation and smart shopping are essential. Automate your bills and savings. Remove temptation and avoid late fees. Use money-saving apps. Rakuten offers cashback. Honey automatically applies coupons, and Ibotta gives rebates on groceries. Always shop with a list. This reduces spontaneous buys by up to 23%, according to a study by the Journal of Consumer Affairs. Automation creates consistency. Deals and lists keep spending in check. Together, they ensure you aren't sabotaging your budget with unconscious spending. But the smartest families go beyond monthly tactics. They zoom out and tackle the bigger picture at least once a year. Segment 6. The annual cost review. Are recurring expenses quietly draining your wallet every month? Monthly budgets are vital, but annual reviews are where major savings often hide. You might be surprised how much slips away. Until now. Let's break it down, fast. Insurance premiums, home, auto, life, pet. These creep up silently. Loyalty often costs more. Shop around, streaming and subscriptions, Netflix, Disney+, Spotify, cloud storage, apps. Ask yourself, am I still watching or just still paying? Cell phone plans. Loyalty to carriers is expensive. Downgrade or switch. Save instantly. Utilities, electricity, gas, water, trash. Can I negotiate or find better rates? Yes, often. Internet bills. The promo period is over. Your price jumped. Time to call and cut back. Credit monitoring services, essential, or just another quiet expense. Reevaluate. Gym memberships. If you haven't gone in months, why are you still paying? Software subscriptions. Antivirus, premium apps. Are they vital or vanity? Meal kits and food boxes. They're convenient, but quietly expensive. Time for a review. Online learning platforms. Masterclass, Udemy Pro. Still using or forgotten? Bank account and credit card fees. Monthly charges you don't even notice, but they stack fast. Pet and kids subscriptions, toy boxes, pet insurance. Cute, but costly. Professional memberships, annual dues. Are they truly benefiting your career? Medical add-ons. Vision, dental, supplemental insurance. Trim if possible. Automotive extras. Roadside assistance and service plans. Check if your insurance already covers it. Here's the bottom line. If you just cut half of these today, imagine how much you'd free up instantly. Benjamin Franklin once said, "Beware of little expenses, a small leak will sink a great ship." Left unchecked, these leaks quietly erode your financial ship. Take one weekend each year to audit, call providers, and cut waste. The result? Instant raises for your budget. No new job or income needed. So what happens when you combine all of these smart budgeting strategies? More savings, less stress, and an empowered family. Question of the day: which budgeting hack will you try first? Comment below. Now that you know budgeting doesn't have to be restrictive, remember this. If you don't learn how to stop living paycheck to paycheck, you'll stay stuck in survival mode. Working hard, making money, yet still falling behind. You're going to need to know how to break the paycheck to paycheck cycle and build a family emergency fund fast in my next video.